final field, they just want to send the children back. That's not fair to them, and it's not fair for them to continue with having impacted with their school.
Okay, thank you. All right, that concludes the hearing. So
I just want to clarify something, just briefly on one.
Judge wanted to stop the whole hearing.
Malone was allowed to speak on a variety of topics that probably predated her motion to change custody. Even I believe I've been stopped. I mean, I would just object to her allowing her to be able to go into these wide-ranging subjects that have really nothing to do with the motions we filed in this matter. She didn't address anything that had to do with our perjury allegations, and I mean, I would like an opportunity to respond to these because, like I said, her response was not filed with the court. I checked this morning; it's not there.
Every hearing, she was allowed to do things outside of courtroom.
I didn't see it. She doesn't file anything. I mean, these subjects, if she has a real true problem, she can file a motion with the court. I've advised her of this. File it, pay the fee based on her real income, and then we can talk about it because then I have a full and fair opportunity to respond to it.
okay,
But now I never
I'm going
did.
to give you an opportunity to respond in her written. I mean, you have it. So
I
whether
do
she's
have
mailed
it.
it or not, I don't know. But the fact
I mean,
of
I
the
never
matter is,
really-
it was the parenting
Whether she did it or not. Whether she did it or not.
Well, I would just say that, you know, I said this before, we have evidence that she had no driver's license for 2 years. And just before she filed the motion, she's driving illegally in Georgia now. She testified that she still has a Michigan license. She's been living there 16 years. The Georgia code requires that she get a license, a Georgia license within 30 days.
Okay.
I
So,
do have a Georgia license. If you like something.
Judge laughing as usual
So
when she
when did
talks.
you get your Georgia license?
You'll notice a trend in my
here's
videos,
the-
and when
here's
she
the
talks,
situation.
he
Why don't
smiles.
you email him
You will notice
proof of
this.
that. If you want to keep your address confidential, then I would suggest you figure out how to do that. So I guess at the risk of being accused of screaming at his lawyer, we're done.
Okay, you have all the information you need to make a decision.
I mean, as far as the parenting objections, I think I have all that information. I think that as far as, well, we know Mr. Vining didn't want to provide income information, but I have her testimony about her income, and I have the friend of the court's assessment of his.
Just one
I will
last
have
thing.
I'll have to look at the number of days, and then there's been.
See, he make that statement about testimony. I don't want to give a testimony about nothing. I provided
I
documentation.
think I've got it all.
Okay, we just think this is becoming an issue of parental alienation for him, and I'm glad, and I'm hoping we're going to be able to resolve this and move in the right direction. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
That's so funny. Always hardy hard by the big pig face. I also want to make sure I get how my court hearing ends.
Hey, Lamar, don't talk to him, man. He's my friend. No,
He's my friend.
come in.
So these police officers stalk and harass me when I'm in the building. They follow me around the building. They're in the courtroom trying to antagonize and intimidate. So they denying now that the judge told them to follow me. So I'm saying I want to find out who told them to follow me.
Hang on, I'm putting my stuff up.
You be a witness to this. Mr. Barney hurt him somewhere.
You just got on the record. You can threaten anybody.
Yeah, but
Okay.
Why is the court video still recording us too? Because once we get out of the courtroom, it's going to stop. This is not proper procedure. The court video should have stopped when he called the hearing. But it kept going, which is all right with me. I don't have anything to hide. That means they were watching. You're obviously hostile.
Well, we're just making sure nobody's bothering you. We're just making sure everybody's safe in here.
Making sure everybody's safe. There wasn't even anybody else in the fucking building. It was only me and my lawyer. No one else is in the building. You don't see anybody else in that courtroom. Who were they protecting? Nobody else is in that courtroom.
someone had to tell me. They had to follow the report. So where's the report? I'm talking to Joe right now. We're going to do a freaking
Also, there's a mention later of my lawyer, Joe Simon.
Right now, you hear him saying someone's life. He won't say the who. So it's got to be documented somewhere. Somewhere. Else they whisper in his ear. You know how she said she got a job offer whispering in her ear? No documentation. I just like documentation because people like
I say talk to Joe about it. Joe knows about
Oh,
this
yeah.
stuff.
They told me. He told them. So somebody told him, let me get your card here. I'm going to talk to him right now about this shit. It's continuous.
Nobody called her. She did not. She's upset because she said he had to come on.
Come in the court, she spews that off. He listens to me. And then y'all follow me around. And so it's a rash. It's a rash.
You're all right, man.
I haven't done nothing wrong.
You're not like that on record. You're not threatening the judge.
So they follow me around and I'm obviously hostile while I have a conversation. We in a courtroom full of microphones. You don't hear me louder than my
You haven't
lawyer.
decided for anything in here in the courthouse.
But I'm hostile and my lawyer's voice is higher than mine. But I'm hostile. 3 white police officers with guns standing around me, but I'm hostile. See how they try to create these narratives of things? See how my lawyer's on that bullshit? Why did it take him so long to grab them fucking papers? Because if he got those papers, we'd already left. And watch when he leaves how the video stops. Watch. Somebody has to push the button to stop the video. Again, he's back in the room again. Back in the room again. What the fuck was he doing?